it's really odd for me to be doing a review on a gun that I do not carry or that I have not shot. And there's some good reasons why. For one is we've been extremely busy with security and with executive protection. All I can tell you is the world is very busy in that area. But I haven't done a gun review. I've wanted to on 2 other guns. Today I'm not even doing a review on the gun I wanted to do a review on. And I haven't even shot the gun. But you'll see why I'm doing a review on it without having shot it, I think. Listen, this is what I've wanted to do a review on. It's the Canic Prime. It's what I'm carrying every day now. I love the gun. This is another one that I've wanted to do a review on. It is the Ruger Security 380. The Ruger Security 380 is, in my opinion, for a female carry gun, one of the best. You can literally, like, I can rack it with one finger. I can rack the gun with one finger. It's heavy enough that it's got some weight. It's not so snappy that ladies get intimidated by this gun. And it'll shoot plus P. Both those I want to do a more thorough review on. I've shot both those guns. They're excellent. I'm actually doing a review on a gun I had not shot today because our customers, particularly ladies, are coming back and they're saying they love the gun. First of all, I have never been a micro carry fan. I hate most of them. I've had 2 of them. I had a Ruger LCP as a pocket gun for a while. I do not recommend you carry a gun in your pocket, by the way. It's a good way to shoot yourself in the leg or shoot somebody else. But if you put it in a little pocket holster, it's great. However, the reason I'm doing a review on this is because all the ladies are coming back in saying it's an excellent gun. It's got 2 magazines it comes with, 10 round or 12 round. When you put it in your hand, even as small as it is, you can see how teeny it is, it still feels like a gun. Like I still have on that 12 round, I've got my finger on there. There is one major negative for this gun. One. And this is an opinion. Some of you will come back and say, oh, that's not a negative. But to me, it's a little bit of a negative. A lot of people, like myself, really don't consider 380 to be as well equipped of a round as you need for self-defense. 9mm, the ballistics are great. You put this up against 9mm on gel. Obviously, the penetration's better. And this gun will not shoot a plus P. Not designed for, I can't tell you that it absolutely won't, but it does not feel designed to shoot a plus P. That's the only negative that I can tell you. That's it. The reason everybody likes this gun, it's easy to rack. It's accurate. It'll shoot plus P. This gun right here, it's also very easy to rack. It's slightly snappier than the Ruger Security 380, but you can still rack the gun with 2 fingers very easily. I tell everyone they should rack this way, but most women who come in here, the first time they rack a gun, they want to pull it back like this. This is how we teach everyone to rack. It's serrated. You can push it back easily. Everyone who said they've shot it, and you can go look at some reviews. Honest Outlaws one, Hickok 45. Go look at the guys who are much better shooters than me who review guns like this. They say it's accurate. The trigger's even decent. So I'm gonna reset the trigger. Is it a TTI trigger? Is it a Canic trigger? No. But it's got a decent reset. You can feel it. You can hear it. It's a decent trigger. It does have has the safety on the trigger as well. It's also got your rear safety. It's ambidextrous safety. A little stiff. That's not too bad. Probably needs a little oil on it. It does have a rear safety on it. But look, I don't know of anything else in this category that'll hold 10 or 12 rounds that actually feels like a gun that you can go put in your shorts pocket, that you can put in your jeans pocket. Please put it in some type of carrier inside of your pocket. I'll put a link to some carriers that go inside the pocket below. We like lots of things. You don't want your trigger to be exposed. You're going to shoot yourself or shoot somebody else. But if you're looking for a gun under $450 that is reliable, the Smith Wesson Bodyguard 2.0 and 380 ACP is, I just got to tell you, probably one of the hottest little guns to come out on the market. I hated the Ruger LCP. I couldn't stand it. I carried it as a pocket gun for a while. I had a little Kel-Tec that somebody gave me 12, 15 years ago. The first time I shot it, it broke. Obviously, I would not have carried the gun again or bought the gun again. At that point, I knew a lot less about guns than I do now. But, say it one more time, the Smith & Wesson Bodyguard 2.0 and 380 ACP. Perfect small gun for anybody wanting a micro carry or a pocket carry or something that's just easy to rack. Great gun. Highly recommended. Have a great day.